Welcome back to Beautyistic Beauties. Have you ever wished for a compact palette that can handle your contouring and highlighting needs without taking up your whole vanity? Well, that's exactly what the LORAC Petite Pro Contour Powder Palette Highlighter promises. A sleek, powder-based trio designed to give your face definition and glow, all in one neat package. Let's see if it truly delivers. The palette itself is a lightweight powder set with a matte finish, offering light to medium coverage. It comes in the shade Trio 2, which includes a contour powder, a bronzer, and a highlighter, tailored to sculpt and enhance your natural features. The powders are designed to blend smoothly, letting you build intensity without looking cakey. And the compact packaging makes it travel-friendly. I incorporated this palette into my daily makeup routine over the past week. Applying the contour along my cheekbones and jawline was straightforward. It blends seamlessly and doesn't leave harsh lines. The highlighter gives a subtle luminosity without being glittery, which is perfect for a natural daytime look. I tested it under different lighting, natural daylight, office lighting, and evening indoor settings, and it maintained a consistent, flattering finish. The palette is easy to use even if you're new to contouring, thanks to its balanced pigment payoff. However, I noticed that for deeper skin tones, the contour might appear a bit light and require layering for full effect. What I really appreciate is the texture. It's soft, finely milled, and doesn't kick up excess powder. It's also easy to blend with both brushes and makeup sponges, making it versatile for various application techniques. On the flip side, while it's portable, the compact doesn't include a mirror, which could be a minor inconvenience if you're on the go. In terms of value, the LORAC Petite Pro palette sits in the mid-range category. Considering the quality of the powders, the smooth application, and the precision in pigmentation, I'd say it's worth the investment if you're looking for a reliable contour and highlight duo in one palette. If budget is a concern, there are some more affordable contour highlighter duos on the market, but the texture and blendability might not be quite as refined. Compared to larger contour palettes, this petite version is perfect for minimalists or travelers. It delivers without overwhelming your kit. The powders hold up well throughout the day with minimal fading, which is impressive for a compact palette of this size. Packaging is sturdy, so it should last well in your makeup bag without damage. If you're wondering whether it's the right pick for your routine, I'd say it's best suited for anyone seeking a simple, effective contour and highlight solution without needing multiple products. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, beauties. If you've used the LORAC Petite Pro Contour Powder Palette, drop a comment below and share your experience. And as always, the link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.